Hey everybody, it's Callie and I'm back and I'm looking at this. So yesterday was the 22nd. I'm working on the back side of that with that crooked piece there, so I'll have to fix that. So I have four 3x4s, and I've been waiting to, this was a long work day for me, so I've been waiting to do these photographs of these ornaments. I'm thinking they should go across from each other. Although this one is so large that I think it needs to come down to the bottom here. And then I found these two cards that I thought would be appropriate to use. Now, normally I would go through all these, but I've got a really, it's been a busy, crazy day. So anyway, I think this will work, doing it like this. So what I'm going to do is take out these, and I'm just balancing this. I think that Hello Santa card is cute. I was going to save it for pictures with Santa, but I don't want to save, right? Because then you don't use them. It's the layout that you should use it on is the one it works with first, and not, don't save it for something, because that may or may never happen, right? You may not find the right one, or you might not like it anymore when you do. So I always think it's good to use it on whatever, the first one that you think is the right one. Okay, so let's take these out. And I should make sure, my granddaughter's head is right at the top of this, so I'm gonna have to trim that picture behind. So just trying to trim things that aren't as important. And her head is way more important than her doll's head. So there's that one. Let's do this. My daughter-in-law feeding the baby. And then what I'm going to do is show you how I like to use the cards like this. Again, nothing important that I'm cutting off there, because there's not a lot of room for writing on here. I'm going to just do that. And then last but not least here, we're going to have this photo backed by this photo. All right, yep. And this one, there's so little that's coming off that I think it's okay. Actually, I think it's okay just like that. All right, so there we go. There's the photos. Number today is 23. Now, I could do something right here. I think I'm going to hold off on that, maybe do it right there. I have not used any wood. Or not very much wood. I shouldn't say I haven't used any wood. I have used wood. I just haven't used very much wood. I think this might be the wrong piece. Like a happiest season of all, or I could just do this. I don't love the holiday favorite there. Maybe something simple like that. Now, we could go back to a little bit of washi tape here, which I think might be nice. I think I have a red buffalo check. I do have a couple things here. So I have this present washi, which I don't think the blue is going to work because there's no blue in here. We have that do not open to December 25th, but that won't show up here. It's not long enough. So maybe what I'm going to do is we're just going to wrap this card. Just have a little extra something here, and I'm going to actually cut it because it's already taped to the one behind it. We'll just add Santa in here, and I'm just using my ATG here. You can use, you know, wet glues on here, lots of different things. Not successfully though. I just don't want this to pop off. That's the thing, and I like the ATG for that when it's being cooperative. And I just broke it. Okay, let's get this on here before it breaks any further. Okay, so that's good. Toying with maybe, since I have a heart here, so now the question is, do we want to run a little down here? A little up here maybe. Yeah, that's good right there, I think. And then we'll just put our little heart there. And I still have to get that 23 on here somewhere, now that I think about it. I think I know right where I'm going to put it though. And I'm going to make sure that that heart just is fully covered by that green. I'm thinking the 23 here would be good. I like that better. I think the 23 wasn't showing up very well, and it's not perfect here. Oopsie. It's not perfect, but it's close. And I maybe am going to be regretful that I put this on the inside because it might be, that pocket might be really, really tight, but we'll figure that out when I put it back in. But since I broke it, I don't know that I want to fool around with that on the outside anymore. Okay, so I was thinking about like a heart or something up here. I think that might be enough though. Yeah, I think this is good just as it is. I don't think I want to add anything else to this. So I really like the way that guy came out, guys. All right, so I have a little bit of journaling to do here, and then day number 23 is all taken care of. And you guys, thanks again for following me, for supporting me. I'm not done. We're going all the way through the 1st of January, at least with days. So you'll see this through the 3rd of January. So guys, hope you're having a great celebration. Again, thanks so much, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye.